Malia Donato. I'm old. I'm 73 years old, and I've been using the products for more than 2 weeks now, and I really feel very different because kasi at my age I should be like, very slow. But again, I had noticed that I have lots of energy. I have been doing like up and down with my international student, doing many things, but I am always like very strong, and I also feel happy because even like with my age, when I took this product, I see difference in me. At first, like, I see the ears, like, is very red. And I notice that even I am diabetic. I noticed before I took this, the color of my urine is very yellow. But over time, as I use the product, for 2 weeks, it has become clearer and clearer, and the counts of my blood sugar has been down. So I thank God for it.
Amazing.